Tiara here with Gypsyfae Creations. Thanks so much for tuning in. Today I will be doing some cupcake soaps inspired by this fragrance, Banana Split. It is by Aztec Candle and Soap Supplies. I have never tried them before, but I do get a lot of emails from them, and I saw that they do this 5 for 5 deal where for $1 you can get a 1 ounce fragrance of your choice. And I went through their fragrances and thought, hey, maybe I'll get the 1 ounces and do like maybe some donuts or some cupcakes or some popsicles with them because you don't need that much fragrance for them. And when I saw Banana Split was vanillin free, I was like, excuse me, it smells too good to be true. So I'm going to create cupcakes that are themed around a banana split. So to start off with that, I am going to make the base of the cupcake. I'm going to make it brown. I want to represent the colors in the banana split that are the like different flavors of ice cream, the strawberry, the vanilla, and the chocolate. So I'm going to put a little bit of brown mica in this base as well as some Hershey's cocoa. And there is a little bit of a natural color and because it's chocolate, and why not? So I'm going to start by mixing this up, and then I'll add in my lye solution and we'll start pouring it. The base is the easy part, so we'll get going there. Alright, going to pour in some of my fragrance. It is a creamy vanilla ice cream blend with fruity banana notes and cherry accents. So pour some of that in, save the rest of it for the frosting. We'll mix that in and start pouring into the silicone cupcake liners. Frosting bit of the cupcake, I want it to represent the vanilla and the strawberry portions. So I've put some titanium dioxide dispersed in water in my oils. And then over here I have some Love Song Mica by Nurture Soap. That's going to be a very light pastel pink color for strawberry. And then just a plain cup over here that I'll split off the vanilla or white portion of the frosting into. Alright, so I've got a Carolyn Crumb 1M tip. I'm going to start by putting on the white frosting, then I'll get the pink and top it off with the pink. Got some little banana slices made out of mountain pour, some little cherries for on top. I'll probably do a chocolate sauce drizzle and some sprinkles on there, and that is going to finish off this banana split themed cupcake. Thank you, camera, for turning off on me. Look, I went and put on all the little banana slices and the cherries, and thanks again, camera, for doing that to me. I'm going to give this a little spray of the rubbing alcohol and let them sit for 24 hours. I'll bring you guys back to unmold them, and they look delicious, that's for sure. Alright, back to the next stage to unmold these. I want to mention that just because a fragrance says it doesn't have vanillin in it, doesn't mean it won't turn it brown. It's confusing, I know. Typically, if there's vanillin in a soap, it discolors. I got this fragrance because I wanted to test out whether it would discolor the soap brown or not. The thing about Aztec, at least I didn't see anywhere on their website that said, you know, discoloration, whether it was light tan or dark brown, kind of like how Wholesale Supplies Plus does it. So that's why I decided to get the whole 5 for 5 and just try out some of their vanillin-free fragrances. So all 5 that I bought should have no vanillin, but as I'm finding with this, doesn't necessarily mean it isn't going to discolor. When you think of Banana Split and how sweet it is, it's bound to do something. So it's not as white or as pink as I want. I'm hoping it doesn't go any darker. If not, it'll just be like chocolate cupcakes. My hope for this fragrance was that if it behaved, I would make a bar-shaped Banana Split design. I don't know if I'm going to do that. We'll see how this goes once they sit. It did behave very nicely as far as like it stayed very fluid. It actually de-accelerated trace. So if you're looking to make some fancy designs, I'm sorry I keep hitting the camera, it does work very well in your soap batter. There's no acceleration, no ricing, none of that stuff. Just a little discoloration, I suppose. So these will be available on the April 24th shop update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. New to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Any questions or comments, you can leave them for me in the comment section down below. And until next time, I hope you have a very nice day. I will smell you later.